If a hydrant is not close to where the engine will be pumping, the supply hose is first pulled from the hose bed and wrapped around the hydrant. Once the supply hose is in place, the firefighter moves to a location where if the hose becomes unwrapped, it will not injure the firefighter. The firefighter will then signal to the engine driver that it is safe to drive to the pumping location. After removing the hydrant bag from the rear of the engine, the firefighter approaches the hydrant. The firefighter first ensures that the hydrant valve is in the off position. Next, a gate valve cap is removed. To remove any pressure in the hydrant, the gate valve is opened and then closed. Now, the firefighter removes the cap of the large diameter hose, also referred to as a steamer connection, using a wrench if necessary. The hydrant is then opened and flushed to make sure that the hydrant is working and to remove any debris. The supply hose is unwrapped from the hydrant and connected to the hydrant by turning clockwise until the locks engage. The connection is tested by turning the connection counterclockwise. The hose is then positioned straight from the hydrant connection. Once the engine operator signals that the hydrant can be opened, the hydrant valve is then opened completely. First, the firefighter closes the hydrant valve. Pressure in the hose is relieved by opening a gate valve. The supply hose connection is then unlocked and turned counterclockwise. Finally, all of the valves are closed and all of the caps are put back in place. First, the firefighter removes and assembles the valve T-handle located on the engine. The T-handle is used to close the drain valve by turning clockwise. The manifold drain valve is kept in the open position to allow the manifold to drain. This helps prevent freezing water remaining in the manifold from causing problems. Next, the manifold supply valve is opened slightly to allow water to slowly fill the manifold. The firefighter can feel and listen for the manifold to be filled. Once the manifold is filled, the supply valve can be opened fully. The two center manifold connections are ready to receive 5-inch supply hose, while the outer connections are ready for 7¼ inch hose. The process is the same for connecting both sizes of hoses. The cap is removed. The connection is flushed to ensure proper operation and to remove any possible debris. The connection valve is then closed. The hose is connected and ensured that it is locked. Once the engine operator signals that they are ready for water, the valve is opened fully to send water to the engine. When the manifold is no longer needed, the connection supply valves are first closed. Then, the manifold supply valve is closed, and the manifold drain is opened. If available, an unused connection is uncapped and its valve opened to help the manifold to drain. Once the manifold is drained, the supply hoses may be removed and all connections recapped.